Israel's campaign to seize Gaza City has begun. 60,000 reservists have already received their call-up papers, and the plan calls for successive waves of troops and tanks backed by artillery and airstrikes. Their stated aim? To destroy what's been described as Hamas's center of operations and is also home to nearly 1 million Palestinians. The Israeli military already controls 75% of the Gaza Strip. The assault on Gaza City involves intense air and drone strikes while systematically demolishing the city's outlying neighborhoods. To the south, Zaytun is all but destroyed. To the north, air and artillery strikes have badly damaged the neighborhood of Jabalia, while in the east, Shujaiya and Tufar districts have been flattened. And that's just the beginning. Of the 70,000 Israeli troops operating in the Gaza Strip, 20,000 have had their service extended, and a further 60,000 reservists have been ordered to join them. Against a backdrop of war weariness amongst Israeli soldiers and growing demonstrations by Israeli citizens, there has been speculation as to how many of those reservists will actually show up for duty. But the Israeli military still has a huge number of serving personnel and enormous firepower, and they're turning it on Gaza City. Despite 2 years of war, it's been relatively unscathed. But if the rest of the Strip serves as an example, Gaza City too will all be but leveled. Airstrikes have pummeled outlying areas of the city. Armored units have been operating in Zaytun since early August. And Israeli soldiers have been running operations in Jabalia as well, ahead of the main operation to seize Gaza City. Of what of Hamas and its Qassam brigades? Attacks by the group have dropped to a tiny fraction of what they were, consisting now of occasional sniper attacks or roadside bombs. This will be the fourth time Israeli forces will try to clear the north of the Strip of Hamas fighters. Each time, fighters have returned using a tunnel network that has somehow survived. Although Israel declared war on Hamas in 2023, it's still struggling to destroy the group. Despite tens of thousands of its soldiers operating throughout Gaza, backed by one of the most sophisticated air forces in the world. The campaign to take over Gaza City and force its population south shows no sign of slowing down. And for the city's starving residents, this means a new and even deadlier phase of Israel's genocidal war awaits them.